Sadness eventually leads to depression. Depression eventually leads to suicide. If you let these vibrational states stay within you long enough. If you let these fallen angels stay within you long enough. This is the spiritual war that I'm talking to you about. See, when you think about it from that perspective, you're like, hold on, this is really a war. Because how can I sit here and not become emotional? Yeah, you might hear me saying you're not supposed to become emotional, but how easy is that to actually do? How do you go through your life without becoming emotional? Even happiness is a fallen angel. Yeah, you see how conniving and how slick and creative Zeus, aka Satan, is. Even happiness is a fallen angel. You know why? Because right now, I can come and give your ass a compliment. You're going to get happy as fuck. You're going to get a thought that's going to make you feel good. Now that thought going to lead to happiness, and now you vibrate sky high. You feeling good? But in the same breath, I can tell you some negative shit. And I just stole that happiness. That happiness turns into depression or sadness. Because it's a fallen angel. It's an illusion. It's an illusionary state. Happiness is nothing but a replica of peace. You don't need happiness, you need peace. Because peace is forever. Nobody can take your peace from you unless you give it to them. And when you find peace, it don't come and go. Happiness come and go. See what I'm saying? Because happiness is a fallen angel. It's like the storm. It's like the eye of the storm. When a hurricane comes, you got the first half of the storm. You see that coming. See what I'm saying? You know you're in a storm. That's not the worst part of the hurricane. Anybody gonna tell you the worst part of the hurricane is the eye. Because you go through all this storm and then boom, hit the eye hit. The sun come out. So now you calm. You let your guards down. Oh shit, sun back out, y'all, we good. Storm is over. And that illusion is what gets a lot of people killed in the storm. You have 1 minute left. That illusion is what get a lot of people killed in the storm. Because they didn't forget they in the storm because the sun didn't came out. Right? Niggas come out of hiding. Storm over, y'all. Then out of nowhere, it starts storming again. Now you ain't got time to hide. Storm sweep you away. The eye fooled you into believing the storm was over. That's the same thing with happiness. Happiness slide in. Like, I'm happy. I feel good. But then some shit come that quick and your happiness gone. Now you chasing it again. But with peace, peace is different. Peace is a whole different level of vibration. It's stronger than happiness. It's not an illusion. It's real. Seek peace, not happiness. Cosmic family.
Thank you for using.
Yes, we are back. Seek peace, not happiness. See what I'm saying? This is the war, cosmic family. This is what I mean when I say we are in spiritual warfare. Because what is this war about? They just want to feed off of your force, off of your life force. The fallen needs to feed off of your life force. Because remember, you can go back up to the heavens and the cosmos. After you leave this lifetime, you can ascend to higher spiritual states, to higher spiritual planes of existence. We are on the material plane. You have 9 cosmic planes. This is the lowest vibrational plane, the material plane. The fallen can't do that. So they need you. You are their food source, and they feed off you when you are vibrating low. And the only way to make you vibrate low is to put you into emotional states. Nothing good happens to he who reacts out of emotion. Let me repeat that. Nothing good happens to the one who reacts out of emotions. When in your life have you ever reacted out of emotions and it worked out for you? Let's use some examples, Cosmic family. She don't even know him, but she felt good that night. She don't even do one night stands. But this night, something feel right about him. The moon shining right. The drink just perfect. She ain't got to go to work tomorrow. He got this glow to him when he talking to her. The vibe feel right. Keyword, vibe feels right. Keyword is vibe. Now, an emotion kicks in. Lust, happiness, right? And out of those emotional states, she let him fuck that night. She never see him again. He never see her again. She ain't tripping. She just wants to dick that night herself. Then she find out she pregnant. And she never see him again. Now how's her life affected? Or he gives her STD that she can't recover from. How's her life affected? He was a good kid. He had academic scholarships, athletic scholarships to go play basketball. You see what I'm saying? He was on his way to Duke University. From Duke, he was going to the NBA. However, he went out with his friends. Somebody looked at him the wrong way. He felt threatened. Instead of saying, you know what, I'm going to walk away. This brother ain't put his hands on me. He reacts out of emotion. Anger sets in. Ego sets in. Now he done went upside the motherfucking head, bust they shit to the white meat. Now he go to jail. Lose all his basketball hopes. Feel me? This one person just hit the lottery. They came up on $10 million. Then what happens? Emotion sets in. They happy, right? And let their guard down. So you know what? They didn't blew through all their money. Now they broke. We can go on and on and on with situations and examples of what happens to us when we allow emotions, aka these fallen angels, to enter us.